In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Google Sheets using a template. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling process with a quick and easy setup, using a Google Sheets template is a fantastic option. Not only is it efficient, but it also allows for a level of personalization so you can tailor it to your own needs without starting from scratch. To get started, you'll want to open a new spreadsheet. You can do this by simply going to sheets.google.com. Alternatively, if you're already working within your G Suite applications, just locate Sheets from the app menu. Once you've opened Sheets, you'll find yourself with a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into your very own calendar. Here, we're going to navigate to the template gallery, which is packed with various well-organized templates for countless applications, including calendars. To access this, you'll click on File in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select New, and then choose from Template. The Template Gallery is a powerful tool that provides a pre-made layout, saving you the hassle of formatting from the beginning. Now, as you scroll through the gallery, keep an eye out for the Personal section. This is where you'll often find items like planners and calendars. Specifically, you're looking for the Annual Calendar template. If you prefer options, you can search simply by typing calendar into the search bar, which should bring up various choices suited to different needs. Once you've selected the Annual Calendar template, it will automatically open in your Google Sheets, displaying a comprehensive and fully editable calendar. One of the features that makes this template user-friendly is the tabs located at the bottom of your screen. These tabs are labeled by month, giving you a quick way to toggle through the calendar months as you plan. This ensures that managing your appointments and events throughout the year is straightforward. Begin filling in your events and details directly on the calendar. You can click on any cell and start typing. Feel free to add more specifics like event times and reminders that are personal to your schedule. This is where the beauty of the Google Sheets template lies. It's flexible enough that you can insert any level of detail your organization style requires. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've generated a fully functional calendar in Google Sheets using a pre-made template. This setup provides a great backbone for your scheduling, combining the power of Google's tools with your personal organizational skills. Happy calendaring!